IronCAD 2020 has created a new dimension type for chamfers. Go to your annotation ribbon bar and you'll see the command chamfer located in there. Selecting that command gives you various options for your styles, layers, and how you actually create your chamfer. You can do it based on a selected two axes, or you can define an X and Y axis as your reference axis and then your actual chamfer edge that you're going to use. You can also define the style that you want that dimension to be created. So for our example, if we pick our reference edge, we'll see our vertical edge here, and then our chamfer. It'll give us that dimension with the value, so it's 1 inch length and at a 45-degree angle. That's automatically created for us. So how this works, basically you can pick any reference edge. For example, if I pick this edge and this reference, it'll give us the dimension from there, the length of that edge, and that angle. So this is a 26-degree angle. If we do it from the opposite end, we pick that edge to there, notice we'll get a different value. Notice that's the angle from this vertical edge to here, which is 63.4, and the distance would actually be this distance here, showing that's half an inch for that dimension. So that's the way you create your chamfer dimension. And again, you can use these comparison axes as your selected axis, or you can just use your x-axis or y-axis of your drawing to use that as the reference dimension for creating your chamfer dimension. Enjoy.